How to sort and find product on Walmart. Looking for something on Walmart? Here's how to find any product quickly and easily. First, go to walmart.com or open the Walmart app. See that big search bar at the top? Type what you need. Let's try AirPods. Hit enter or tap the search icon and boom. Walmart will show you all the matching products. You can use filters to narrow your search. Want a specific brand, price, or delivery options? Just click on the filter on the left or top menu. You can sort like a pro. Use the sort by option to arrange products by best match, price low to high, or best rate, best sellers, average ratings. Found what you like? Click on the product to see detailed reviews and delivery options. Add it to your cart if it's the one. And that's it. Now you can find product on Walmart in second. If this helped, hit like, and if you have any question, drop them in the comment and subscribe for more quick shopping tips. Happy shopping!